Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Capcut account. So all you have to do right now is open the Capcut application. This is mobile version, and as you can see there is a bar, the toolbar. There's edit, templates, library, and me. Here you can choose me. So if you already have a account, you can sign in with one of these a social media, but if not, you can try to create a new account by tap one of a social media or platform that you want to use as an account. For example, TikTok. So here you can create TikTok account, the TikTok account first. For example, you have to a continue with a Facebook or with Google, for example, or even Twitter. And I want to use the Twitter, for example. Here you can follow the steps. So after you make a TikTok account, or a if you already complete the TikTok account, you can sign in the CapCut. So it will be synchronized, integrated your CapCut with TikTok. Or if you use Facebook, Google, or let's see what sources, what platform. Sorry, there is ad. Maybe you want to already have Facebook, so you can automatically say sign in. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the text button below. See you in the next video.